Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you if it's possible to buy T-bills in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and watch the video. And basically, as you can see, this is a Robinhood Learning Center, and here it will just uh, give some explanation about the T-bills, etc. So here, if we go to this paragraph, is how do I buy T-bills? And basically, the Treasury bills are sold in auction through the U.S. Treasury at the treasurydirect.com. So basically here where you can buy the T-bills with the assistance of banks and brokers. And basically, as you can see, there is nothing concerning or that says that you can buy the T-bills from Robinhood. And the short answer is that you can. And basically, if we continue reading, here is or they are sold on the secondary bond markets, auctions, both competitive and non-competitive are the standard method for purchasing T-bills. And basically, to handle or to hold uh, the T-bills, you want to be able to do it in Robinhood. So all you can do is, for example, buying some ETFs that holds T-bills or a T-bills ETF. And then you can, for example, go to your Robinhood account and then search for some ETFs that has T-bills in. And here, as you can see, you won't be able to buy the T-bills from Robinhood accounts, etc. And as you can see here, for competitive auction bids, buyers need to work through a bank or a broker who bids through the tabs here or the automated auction processing system, etc. etc. So the short answer is that you want to be able to buy the T-bills in Robinhood. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.